Welcome to another episode of Creative Tuesday, in which I show you a little bit of tricks or tips about Adobe Illustrator or any other program. In this video I will show you a rather clever or secret tool or function of the Shapes tool. Let's dig in. Hello everyone, I'm Nitin Design with Muneeb. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time over here, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. So here I have created a brand new Adobe Illustrator document. I have set my fill to none and set my stroke to a solid color. Now this tool or function can work with any of the shape tool. It works best with a polygon tool. So now if we just draw out a polygon using and then I'm gonna press my tilt button. So if I just hold the tilt key, you can see what is going on, and I am holding this key and it's creating lots and lots of polygons. So you can get really cool designs. This is not much cool. Now if you just take a look at this again, just try to do it again, you can get a really good design. Now you can also do it with line tool, so yeah, you can even do it with rectangle tool. That's really weird. You can do it with the ellipse tool. Now you get the idea. So it can be used for designing mandalas, it can be used for designing different kind of blends. And to conclude, this is a really great feature.